In this video, I'll drive you through the steps of how to order a physical Revolut card. If you find this guide useful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. You can also sign up for a free Revolut account by clicking the affiliate link in the description below. Ordering a physical Revolut card provides easy access to cash withdrawals and in-store payments worldwide. It also offers enhanced security and convenience for everyday transactions. To begin, open the Revolut app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home page, tap on the card icon located in the top right corner to navigate to the Cards page. On the Cards page, scroll down to find the Settings section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Replace Card. Click on it to proceed. In the new window, you'll be presented with three options. For this example, let's choose the last option, Damaged or Doesn't Work. Selecting this will take you to a new page. On this page, you'll find the option to Order Replacement Card. Tap on this option to continue. After selecting Order Replacement Card, you'll be directed to a final page where you can confirm your request. Follow any additional instructions that may appear, and you'll soon have your replacement card ordered. That's it! You've successfully ordered a replacement card through the Revolut app. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and helpful tips. Also, you can sign up for a free Revolut account through my affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching.